The LG Wing comes with a curved 6.8-inch POLED main display with FHD Plus resolution and a 20.5:9 aspect ratio. The selfie camera is a 32MP pop-up solution. The secondary screen is a 3.9-inch GOLED with FHD Plus resolution and a 1.15:1 aspect ratio. As you can imagine, there's no official IP rating, but the screens do come with a water repellent coating. The big deal with the Wing is that you can use it as a regular phone if you so please, but once you pop the main screen horizontally you get a whole new form factor with its own unique use cases. LG is betting big on content consumption and is targeting the Wing at users who love watching videos on the go. Thanks to the second display, you get no screen interference when you receive notifications and you're left with a more immersive viewing experience. You can also edit videos directly after you shot them straight on the secondary screen or use GPS navigation while managing your call on the smaller screen. The swivel design comes with a dual lock mechanism and a hydraulic damper which absorbs shock. LG claims the Wing should last 200,000 swivels. LG also managed to get the dimension close to regular smartphones at 169.5 x 74.5 x 10.9 mm. The phone weighs in at 260 grams. The rest of the specs included a 64MP primary camera, 12MP ultra-wide shooter specifically for swivel mode and another 13MP ultra-wide. There's a gimbal mode with a virtual joystick on the secondary screen. The Wing is powered by the Snapdragon 765G paired with 8GB RAM and 128/256GB storage. The battery comes in at 4000 mAh and there's also wireless charging support on board.